Hello viewers, welcome to Damu Education. If you not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this model, we are going to discuss our second question. Complete the following table by writing as if the property holds for the particular quadrilateral and no if properties does not holds. So properties that are given and the given shapes. So this is the shapes are, what is this shape is? This is trapezium. So first one is trapezium. Next one, as they given that, parallelogram. Next one, what is this? Rhombus. The next one, rectangle. So rectangle. Next one is what? Square. So this shape is square. So what we can write it here? So first question. So our first question is, only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Only one side. So opposite pair of parallel. So this side is parallel to this side. Let's take ABCD parallelogram. So sorry, this is trapezium. AB is parallel to DC. That is yes. AB is parallel to DC. That is yes. And here only one pair of a parallelogram. So here this is parallel to. So let's take this one ABCD again in parallelogram. So two pairs of sides are parallel to each other. So here AB is parallel to CD. So here what you can write, AB is parallel to CD. So here no. Why? Because AB is parallel to CD and what you can write, AD is parallel to CB. So two pair of sides are parallel to each other. So here also same as it is. Here this one is parallel and these two sides are parallel. Let's take this is AB, CD. So for this also no. For this also no. Why? Because AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD. They are asking that only one pair of sides. So in rectangle also same condition. So in rectangle what you can write it here is, so same condition, that is, let's take ABCD here, rectangle. So ABCD. So here two pair of sides will be parallel to each other. So two pair of sides. For this also no. Why? Because AD is parallel to, let's take AD is parallel to BC, then AB is parallel to CD. For square also same condition, no. So what is the square? So square, for that what you can take it here is, so square, let's take ABCD. So these are all parallel. So all lines are parallel to each other. So let's take this is also no. Same condition for this. Two pair of sides, opposite sides are parallel. So in trapezium, two pair of sides. Trapezium only one pair. For this what you have to write it here is no. So here AD is not parallel to BC. Then what is this? Yes. As I told above, so two pair of sides for parallelogram is two sides. Why? Because AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. In rhombus also yes. So for rectangle also yes. So in all the cases it is yes. Why? Because except trapezium. Why? Because all the two pair of sides are parallel to each other. Then opposite sides are equal. So in trapezium there is no opposite side or equal. So no. In parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Yes. What you can write it here is, AB will be equal to CD and AD will be equal to BC. Yes. Rhombus also all sides we know that AB will be equal to CD, then AD will be equal to BC. Yes, in rectangle also same condition, in square also same condition. Yes. Opposite sides are equal to each other. Then one more, opposite angles are equal. So let's take in this opposite angles. So here the angles will be vary. So these are all angles may vary here. In this no. So why? Because this is angles are not equal. Opposite angles are not equal in trapezium. So here our opposite angles are equal. In trapezium opposite angles are not equal. So here it's making the angles are not equal in trapezium. So either it should be parallel or equal to each other, then only the parallel will be there. So these are the diagonals of trapezium. So here there is no. So in parallelogram, so here it will be, so what you can write, so opposite angles are equal. So these are the angles are equal, that is angle C will be equal to angle A. So yes, so angle C will be equal to angle A, then angle D will be equal to what you can write, angle B. So in rhombus also like this only. So opposite angles are equal except quadrilaterals almost if the sides are parallel or if the sides are what you can say equal, then it is yes. So same like this only, A equal to angle A will be equal to angle C and angle B. So we can say here in rectangle always it is yes. Why? Because all angles are right angles. Then whatever opposite angles, in square also like that. So all the angles are right angles. So what you can write? Yes. Then what you can say about next condition is consecutive angles are supplementary. So consecutive angles are supplementary means here if you add two angles we need to get 180 degrees. So it's getting that, let's take if you add this side we will get, so we will get the line. So here there is no parallel to each other lines. So for that trapezium there is no consecutive angles are supplementary. Why? Because if you take BC as like this, then if you add this is the angle, let's take this, if you add means we will get less than 180 degrees. So here angle B. So shifted this B here. I am showing example here how to do here is. So if you add means here there is no 180 degrees. So remaining all will be S. So supplementary means for A if you add B, consecutive means beside angle, that is for B if you add means we will get 180 degrees, then for C and B 180 degrees, so like that. So for all these yes. So how is there any doubts we can give here. So let's going to add angle A plus, so for this angle A plus angle C will be equal to, that is angle B will be equal to 180 degrees. So that is a consecutive. Here also angle A, let's take for angle B. So let's take for this angle C for angle D, that is rhombus 180 degrees. In rectangle also let's take another combination, that is angle A, angle B we are written. Then angle B plus angle C will be equal to 180 degrees. Let's take in square, what is the combination? So already we have taken AB. So let's take for this angle A plus angle D will be equal to 180 degrees. So these are the cases for all the shapes except trapezium. So this case is all possible with all the shapes. So here also angle C plus angle D will be 180. So consecutive means beside angles. So that is the case here. If you add all these angles, then we will get supplementary means 180 degrees should be there. So that is the case here. The next one, diagonals bisect each other. In trapezium there is no bisecting. Why? Because so here this is the joining point where it is going to join. So AO is not equal to OC. So AO is not equal to OC. Bisecting means making into two equal offs, but trapezium is not a case like that. So here the diagonals will not going to what is that? Equal parts. So parallelogram, yes. So here AO, that is DO will be equal to what you can write it here OB, and AO will be equal to OC. So in rhombus also diagonals making into two equal offs at the intersection point O. So what you can write, AO will be equal to OC. So in rectangle also bisecting two equal offs. So this will go into two equal offs, that is let's take this DB is divided into DO plus DO equal to OB. So this is the point O. For square also it is S. So this is the case for square also, they are going to divide it equal offs. So diagonals are equal. So in trapezium as we know that there is no equal. So for this diagonals are not equal. So here DB will be is not equal to, so DB is not equal to AC. So these are the diagonals. So that is there is no equal diagonals are there. For diagonals parallelogram also there is no equal. So for this also diagonals are not equal. Then for rhombus also diagonals are not equal. One diagonal will be larger, one diagonal will be smaller. So for this also no. Then rectangle diagonals are equal but they are not perpendicular to each other. So why? Because there is no, yes. So diagonals are equal, that is AC will be equal to DB. Then square also obviously it is yes. Our next question is H, all sides are equal. In trapezium there is no side as we know the properties. So parallelogram only opposite sides are equal. So in rhombus all sides are equal, yes. Then in rectangle, no. In square also, yes. So based on that, we know that. So in rectangle only opposite sides are equal. Then our each angle is a right angle. So each angle is a right angle. No, for this it is no. I will be. So in trapezium there is no each angle is right angle. This is less than 90 degrees. Then again here parallelogram also it's more than 90 degree and less than 90 degrees are there here. Then for this also no. And rhombus also it is less than 90 and maybe more than 90. For this also each angle is no. For rectangle, yes, all the angles are making at 90 degrees, yes. So all angles in what you can say here is rectangle and square. So rectangle and square, all the angles, angle A will be equal to angle B will be equal to angle D will be equal to 90 degrees. So square and rectangle, yes, yes. So all the angles are equal to right angles. So right angle means 90 degrees. Then diagonals are perpendicular to each other. So diagonals are not perpendicular to each other in a trapezium, and parallelogram also there is no perpendiculars. Perpendiculars means you need to make at 90 degrees at the intersection point. So here it is making 90 degrees. In rhombus it is making 90 degrees. What you can write it here is in rhombus here making 90 degrees. Yes, for this rhombus it is yes. So rectangle also it's not making 90 degrees at the intersection point. What you can say, this is the angles, opposite angles. So these are all not making 90 degrees. For this it is no. Then square it's making 90 degrees. So square and rhombus only making 90 degrees at the intersection point. Like this we need to solve. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon.